congratulate the graduates and their parents. Wazazi asante, kwa sababu I've always found some parents being obstacles. They want their kids to be at the university, nothing else. But if you do a useless course in the university which does not attract employment, you get lost. It's better you go to TVETs, so research yourself and know which course you want, then you pursue it. I will stand with you from now onwards. I will double the efforts because the job market is expanding. You know, the job seekers are expanding at a rate which is about 10 times the economy is expanding. By so, you will only think of employment if you want to get work experience. Tatuweka macho yako, masikio yako kwa tujiajiri. Hiyo tu.
It's an honor for us to join you today here at Stronger Grounds for this very important milestone in the lives of 709 graduates brought from 26 vocational training centers across Nyamira County. As we celebrate your achievement, I believe every single one of you here today has a story of perseverance, and I congratulate you for that. Mr. Graduates, I want to congratulate you because you must have persevered. I know your fees was paid. Let me just start by saying one thing. When some of us went to school, at all times we were being told to work very hard so that we can go to Karanja. I know even Joblin doesn't know who Karanja is. And the Karanja will present us to Jomo Kenyatta so that we can get a degree. Because at that time there was only one university in Kenya. And the Karanja, the late Karanja, the former vice president, was the vice chancellor of Nairobi. I know that we should talk about technical training institute. Some people are saying, I want to go to Sugalagala, I want to go to Kisumu and the like. But for a long time, nobody, very few people knew how important it is to go to technical training institutes. Your Excellency, today's ceremony is a testament to the power of investing in skills, the varied skills that we are talking about here. This auspicious occasion, hosted by the County Government of Nyamira in partnership, especially through the training with the KCB Foundation, is proof of what can be achieved when government, industry, academia, and the community come together with a shared vision. And the vision is to empower our youth, build sustainable livelihoods, and drive economic transformation.
This actually marks a significant milestone, being the first to Jiajiri graduation in Nyamira County. This is a historic step in expanding access to practical skills, training, and enterprise development opportunities for young people in this region. Let me first start by sincerely appreciating the graduates who are graduating today. We recognize the efforts that you have made to this level. I also want to appreciate parents, mentors, training institutions led by the principals, all of your principals here, instructors, for this unwavering support that you have provided to the young people. Your contribution has been invaluable, and we thank you for believing in our graduates. Your Excellency, I want me to recognize your executive team for actually putting up this together and leading us to this level. It is really a committed committee and team, and sometimes we take it for granted that it is just easy to lead and organize such a program. So allow me to really appreciate your executive team for this. We as KCB and KCB Foundation, we have also extended our support for the second cohort to the tune of 10 million.
Graduates, I want you to look at your hands. Please look at your hands. Graduates, I want you to look at your hands and tell those hands that you can wire a bulb that lights up a house. You can service an engine that transports food to the market. You can code a system that secures a hospital, or those same hands can fabricate a machine that improves production. You have gained the technical skill today. Now you need to transfer or to add digitalization to that skill. You are graduating in 2026 when the world of Juakali has now become digital Kali. What does that mean? It means that you can use WhatsApp to get business. You can Google error codes. You can sell your products on Instagram, or you can start your YouTube channel to teach